Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity of sharing my experience about my first attempt in an interview. I'm Subarna Mandal from Bathanberia, Kolaghat, Purbo Midnapur. Now I am pursuing MA in English from Rabindra Bharati University. Today I would like to share about my first attempt in an interview in our college campus. So about 1 month ago, our head of the department, uh, Mr. Konok Kanti Bera, he he announced that one of the most famous companies, renowned company, Spectrum Talent Management, uh, they are coming in our college campus for offering some jobs from their from for the students. So I decided that I will fill the form and I will attend this interview. So I filled up the form and I decided that I will attend this interview. And I was not aware about any who interview related things. So I made a call to sir আপনার পুরো নাম ভুলে গেছি Mr. Krishnendu Das, to know about this interview. So sir instructed me and how to represent myself about towards themselves, and it was Tuesday. It was past Tuesday. It was instructed that we have to attend the interview within 10 a.m. So as far as the time, I prepared myself to attend the interview, and I took train from Kolhar railway station, and I reached Panchkura within 10 a.m. and I reached my college, Panchkura Banamali College. But the members of the company, they didn't reach yet. They hadn't reached yet. So we wait at least 2 hours, because they informed us that they will reach their 10 a.m. within 10 a.m., but they didn't reach there. It was about 12:30 or 12:45. They reached our college campus, arrived our college campus, and after that they took their tiffin, and the other departmental said, they informed us that the members of the company has arrived now, and you have to prepare yourself to face them. So we were very irritated, because they told us that they will reach 10 within 10 a.m., but they didn't reach there. So many of the students were saying that they are very irresponsible. They are very irresponsible, because 6 months ago, TCS company, they also arrived our college for placement, to offer for placement or offer job to students, and the students were saying that they arrived before the time. Before the arrival of the students, they arrived on the deck. That's why they were very irresponsible, but these members of the company, they were very irresponsible. So that's why many students are irritated, and many girls are thinking that they have come from many far area, and it will be late if the members of the company, they are getting late. So it was about 1 p.m. We were all asked to go to seminar room, because all the process of the interview will be organized in the seminar room. So we reached there. First of all, the members of the company, they informed us about their company. They told that their company, the century of their company is Bangalore, and that day they have come to offer job for the Bangalore center, and they have many branches: Dubai, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, etc. So first they informed that their company is about uh, mm, mobile phone management company types. Mm, Many parts are imported to their company, and the employees have to assemble the parts within the phone. and they said that their salary is near 18,000, and they will offer flat for their employee, and also private car will be included within this salary to pick up the to pick up the employee, pick up and drop. So our principal was মানে কি বলবো স্যার হচ্ছে যে মানে ব্যাপারটাকে খুঁটিয়ে আরো দেখছিলেন আর কি। হ্যাঁ, inquire about the details, and after that they said that they will take exam, and who will pass the exam, so he or she will no, sorry, he not he, it was only for girls, so she will be allowed for the interview process. But it was I didn't like them because whatever they were saying, everything gone wrong. They first of all they said that they will reach within 10 a.m. It was wrong. Then they said that we will take exam, and who will pass the exam, we will give them chance, give her chance to interview. But I saw that first exam paper was distributed, but they were saying, yeah, answer to everyone they were saying that this answer will be this answer will be this. So I was thinking that why are they saying this? It is an examination, and our the members of our college say, sorry, the teachers of our college, they were saying that why didn't you who offered them, sorry, offer no, মানে why aren't you telling them that you have to submit this paper within 1 hour or 30 hour? Why are you not saying that? Huh, huh, but the members are saying that it's okay, take them more time. There was no punctuality, there was no restriction. So many of the girls were taking 1 hour, 130 hour. So many of them were taking 20 minutes only, and they were it was said that we will only allow them who will pass the examination, but they were saying all the answers to everyone. That's why everyone were passed, and they decided that everyone are allowed for interview. So and the members were at least 200. So the examination process was ended at 3 p.m., and they said that we will that you can now take a break until we are finished, we can finish this examination paper, for checking this examination paper. So we took some break for 30 minutes, but here they also express them, represent themselves as irresponsible person. This told us that they will take 30 minutes, but they took 1 hour, so it was said that the as the names were listed alphabetically. So first the names who are included with A letter. So first there was the name of A letter, then B letter, then C, according to the alphabet. There are not only our members of our Panchkura college, but also others college. That's why many members were there. So first 10 members were allowed according to their alphabets, A alphabet. They were allowed for interview, but they said that we will take just 10 or 15 minutes, but they took 40 minutes for interview. So huh. So it was 440 only 10 members were inside the interview room, and outside there was at least 200 members. So our principal became very angry. He said that you took 40 minutes for 10 members. So there are 200 members. So will you take 500 minutes for them? It will be night. So that's why. So after those 10 members, they called 30 members for that. 30 members for that, and as my name is starting with S alphabet, so I am so very late. So I told a lie. I told that tomorrow is my university exam, so I have to reach. No, I said that I have to reach my home, so please allow me as soon as possible. So I was allowed first. I was allowed with the A alphabet members, and the interview process was occurring. Suddenly, one of the members uh, he got out for receive a call, and he was gossiping with his call for 15 minutes, and we sat there 15 minutes, so we were again disturbed, irritated. Then he arrived there, and he continued our interview process. First of all, he asked about ourselves. So, hmm. So one by one introduction. First. So who was first? She first introduced herself, and they asked that why are you want this job, etc. So when I was allowed for introduce myself, I told about myself, and then he told that, do you know about our company? I said, yes, I know. He asked me, what do you know? I told him. I told him, but he didn't ask me more. I saw that everyone was allowed to ask huge answers, but I was asked only my introduction and yes. So then they said that you have to wait. You have to wait outside before we will announce who are shortlisted. And it was almost 5:30 p.m. and there was 150 students waiting beside. So I thought that 150 150 students are waiting outside. So I thought that these members are very irresponsible, and I don't know when this process will be complete. So I came back home, and it was very irritated experience for me. Huh? Because I they said that when the all the interview process will be complete, then we will announce who are shortlisted. And I thought that it will be take 1 or 2 hours. That's why I didn't wait for that, and I came back for my home. But after seeing their behavior irresponsibility, I was completely frustrated. তার মানে প্রত্যেকটা ক্ষেত্রে ওরা মিথ্যে প্রমাণিত হচ্ছে, প্রত্যেকটা ক্ষেত্রে।